i-test natin itong ano, VFC na BCM 14.5. Shoutout kay Sir Raymond. So gas blowback rifle with complete BCM markings. So meron na rin siyang cover, rail cover. So BCM stock, adjustable, BCM grip polymer, and then yung front assembly niya at saka yung receiver is metal. Then mag capacity is 30 rounds with BCM markings. So version 3 na to guys, version 3. Okay, test natin. .448, 446, auto. Okay, so nag-slide lock na. Ayan. So kumuha din si bossing ng VMAX. Ito yung VMAX guys. 30 rounds din yan. So yung price nito is 30k. Check nyo na lang sa Google Drive natin. Okay, thank you kay bossing.